Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm at the car park at St Benet's Abbey and I was just looking over the marshes to see if I could see the fox. But instead I saw the owl and I was absolutely mesmerised by it, so I just kept watching and watching. And it's getting closer and closer and I just can't believe my luck, and I'm trying to keep it in the shot and my goodness, I just can't believe it's got so close to me. And at this point, it is so close. I daren't move. I daren't do anything to my camera. I'm outside my car and look, it's about 4 foot away from me. Isn't that just the most beautiful sight ever? A wonderful surprise. And this was on Sunday, Mothering Sunday. So there weren't actually a lot of people out. And possibly because the car park was empty, other than my car, he thought he'd come and have a look. Beautiful heart-shaped face. I could see every single feather. How can he not see me? I'm stood behind my open car door, so I can only assume he can't see me through the glass window in my door. I don't know. And maybe because I'm hid behind my camera. But we are incredibly close to each other. And then he was gone, back to continue flying over the marshes. As he's now flown away, I'm going to go to Cold Harbour and have a look and see if the crane are there. And lo and behold, look who are here, waiting for me. Aren't they beautiful? They've just taken off, but I'm not too worried because I know there's usually a bigger group here. And they're probably trying to find the others, or the others are due in. I'm sure it will be fine. Looking back towards St Benet's Abbey, the owl is still there, flying around. Wasn't that just amazing? That he should land right beside me. I spotted another owl. Is that a short-eared owl, do you think? This is an oyster catcher, and he's on the little concrete path that's in the marsh. And he's spotted me. And he's off. He's going to hide in the grass, I think. A moorhen strutting around the car park. Just came out to the dike. Kestrel's just taken off. Geese are flying over. They've just come from Thurn direction, and look, here we are. This is what I've been waiting to see. The crane have arrived en masse. What a day I'm having. I love the noise they make when they're coming into land. I know it's very windy, but I'm trying to keep in as many of the natural sounds as I can. Obviously, I took several photos of the owl as he was so close to me, so I thought I'd share them in here and show you all. He's just amazing, absolutely amazing, as were the crane. He was so sweet. Feel free to share this video to any of the places that you are members of. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, perhaps you would like to subscribe to my channel, especially if you like the wildlife. I'd like to thank you all for watching. And from the barn owl, the heron and the crane, and myself, and not forgetting this kestrel on the little grain silo who's slightly out of focus. But it's goodbye from all of us.